Like it's my right to not answer or to answer questions or to deny nor confirm anything. I don't need to explain myself din naman po to other people. Whatever they see that's what they're gonna get. And as long as alam ng pamilya ko at yung mga close kong mga kaibigan or my loved ones what's really happening behind cameras, I feel like I don't owe the public any explanation naman po.
Unang napansin ang sweet gestures ng dalawa sa isa't isa, lalo na online. Gaya na lang ng pag-repost ni Kobe ng photo ni Kaylin with a subtle white heart at heart-eyed emoji comment sa post ng actress. Minsan na rin na-spot ng netizens ang dalawa while HHWW or holding hands while walking in the metro. And just recently, may fanboy moment si Kobe sa magazine cover ni Kaylin.
Well, thank you. Thank you for the support. Ever since talaga na mas naging closer kami. He is really supporting me all the way.
Wala mang direktang pag-amin sa kanilang status, ay may kakaiba namang paglalarawan si Kaylin on what they have.
It's a different feeling po. So I don't know the exact words to describe it. Lumalabas na lang siya through actions, through our auras, I guess. So hindi ko talaga siya, I cannot find the exact words.
Sa ngayon, pinaghahandaan na raw ni Kaylin ang kanyang trip to New York para sa kanyang birthday sa September 3. Makakasama raw niya rito ang kanyang mommy.
Yun naman po yung sinasabi ni Mama. Ayokong may birthday ka na wala ako doon. At gusto ko rin pong makapag-bonding kay Mama doon. Kasi para po siyang mother and daughter vacation na rin.
Alam niyo naman pong...
In time naman daw, sa pagkapalabas ng afternoon prime series nilang Shining Inheritance sa September 9 ang kanyang pagbabalik sa bansa.
Yun na nga po yung wish ko ngayong darating na birthday ko na sana po talaga maging successful po ang Shining Inheritance. Apakaganda po na aming material, apakagaling na aming direktor, of course, ang pagbabalik ni Tita Connie. So it's really a special project for all of us.